Meanwhile, Norm is on the case, looking for ways to help the homeowners get the most out of their solar energy system and save more money. He's catching up with Roshan to check out some innovative tech.
Look, they should have gone rebuild, because then they could have had something like this, couldn't they? How do we future-proof a house like this?
Look, first and foremost, you want to take advantage of that roof. So get as many panels as you can. But once you've got those panels on there, you want to capture as much of that sunlight throughout the daytime to pay your daytime consumption, but also store it for evening and morning use. So in that scenario, you want to have the best inverter possible to take advantage of those different types of roof faces, and then secondly, have as much storage as you need right now, but then add to that over time.
So with the battery system, what are some of the things that I need to be thinking about with this whole setup?
Okay, so first and foremost, you want to look at what size system you've got on your roof and how much electricity you're producing. Then you really want to kind of do as good a rough calculation as you possibly can do to understand with the excess electricity that you're producing, how much of that's going to be stored. Now, the best scenario is one that you can start in a modular battery system, where you can start small and then add more batteries if you need to.
So you talk about it being like Legos. You're saying me and the kids could put it together?
You may void the warranty if you do, so you definitely should call your installer to come and do it for you, but it's that simple.
All right, well, I'll be bringing an installer then.
Good man.
So, Rosh, what's this setup here?
All right, so this is Sungrow's modular battery storage system. What you see in front of you is 19.2 kilowatt hours of battery, and each of these modules holds 3.2 kilowatt hours. You can have a maximum of 6 per stack, as you can see here. And if you're a really massive consumer of electricity and got a huge solar system, you can actually add another 3 stacks, giving you just under 80 kilowatt hours of battery storage.
So how much juice does the average home use?
The average family home consumes around 20 kilowatt hours of electricity a day, which means this particular unit would meet your needs. Now, Norm, I am curious. How are you going to explain this to the homeowner?
I'm a simple man, Rosh, and I don't mind doing a little bit of science, and I don't mind involving a little bit of beer. If you come over here, I've set something up that I'd like to show the homeowner. And this is a simple man's way of doing it, and it's how I like doing it. So tell me if I'm wrong. Midnight, you don't get any solar.
Correct.
As the day progresses, the sun comes up, you get a heap of sun, more charge, more charge. And then as the day dies down, the solar goes down.
Fantastic.
This front row here is your usage. So this is starting off in the morning, everyone's asleep, start at midnight. Then everyone wakes up and gets ready to go to work, go to school. Then during the day, there's no one home, power goes down. Everyone gets home in the evening, power goes back up, everyone goes back to bed, power drops down. Now, Rosh, could you grab the battery storage system over there, please?
Yes, I can.
You hold, I'll pour the solar straight into the battery.
It's a beautiful sunny day.
Oh, isn't it? Look at it.
There you go.
Look at that. Righto. Now, I'm going to pour this into the glasses where I'm using the most power. Chuck a bit in here, chuck a bit over here. Tell you what, that's not a bad egg. You can drink that straight away. So, as you can see, we have not wasted one drop of power out of this whole system here. So this goes to show to the homeowner, when we were building solar up during the day and losing it during the day, now we can run it across the whole board even. You're saving every drop. Happy days.
Norm, you are a scientist.
I am a scientist, a beer scientist.